food chain. In any ecosystem, producers and consumers are different types. In every ecosystem, producers and different types of consumers are arranged in a sequence with respective to their food habit. Transfer of food energy from producers to consumers is known as food chain. Transfer of food energy from producers to consumers is known as food chain. Here it is, the producers are T1, trophic level 1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. T6 are decomposers. Trophic level 6, decomposers. Transfer of food energy from producers to different types of consumers in a sequence order is called food chain. The food chains are mainly two types. Mainly the following types of food chains are present. They are grazing food chain. Second one is parasitic food chain. Grazing food chain, parasitic food chain. Grazing food chain is the first important food chain in every ecosystem. In this food chain, consumers are consumed food by grazing plants. In this food chain, consumers are consumed food by the grazing plants. The grazing food chain are following types. They are grassland grazing food chain, forest grazing food chain, desert grazing food chain, aquatic grazing food chain. Now first we discussed about grassland grazing food chain. In grassland ecosystem, the producers are mainly grass plants. In the grass plants, grazing food chain is called grassland grazing food chain. In this food chain, grazing plants are grass plants. So this type of food chain is called grassland grazing food chain. Here it is, grass plants are act as a T1, trophic level 1. They are act as a producers to prepare food by the photosynthesis. From these grass plants, energy consumed by the T2, trophic level 2 as a grasshopper, and from the T2 grasshopper, energy consumed by the frog, trophic level 3, and frog is consumed by the snake is consumed by the eagle. These are arranged in a systematic sequence of arrangement by for their food habits. So it is a grassland grazing food chain. These are the grassland consumers. The next one, forest grazing food chain. In forest ecosystem, the food chain start from the plants like trees, called forest grazing food chain. The forest grazing food chain, first producers are plants. These are consumed by rabbits consumed by fox consumed by wolf consumed by the tiger. Means T1 consumed by T2, T2 consumed by T3, T3 consumed by T4, T4 consumed by the T5. These are arranged in a sequence of arrangement by the food habits. And the third, desert grazing food chain. In this ecosystem, food chain start from the xerophytic plants called desert grazing food chain. The xerophytic plants are prepared food by the photosynthesis. The food consumed by the grass insects consumed by the insects consumed by the forest desert frogs consumed by the desert eagles. The next fourth one is aquatic grazing food chain. aquatic grazing food chain. Food chain operating an aquatic ecosystem. In aquatic ecosystem, producers are green color algae or phytoplanktons. The phytoplanktons are algae to prepare food material by the photosynthesis. That energy consumed by the zooplankton consumed by the insects of water, insects consumed by the small fishes consumed by the large fishes. These are also arranged in a sequence of arrangement by the food their habits. And the second food chain is parasitic ecosystem. This type of ecosystem, this type of food chain start from the large living organisms to small living organisms. The food chain gives an inverted pyramid in the number of pyramids, in the numbers. The food chain gives an inverted pyramid in number. There is only one tree act as a producers. On this tree, more number of birds are act as a parasitic position. From the birds, on these birds, insects are present. On these insects, parasites are present. On the parasites, hyperparasites are present. These are arranged on the sequence of arrangement for their food habits. These are the types of food chains in ecosystem. Now, next we discussed about the food web. In natural conditions, food chain never operate as a isolated sequence. They are interconnected with each other, forming some sort of interlinking or interlocking pattern is known as food web. They are interconnected with each other, forming some sort of interlocking pattern is known as food web. For example, an ecosystem consists of producers and different types of consumers. The producers, the food habit of all these consumers may not be in same. So an organism operate more than one trophic level and obtain its food from different sources. Similarly, an organism may be eaten by different types of organisms, different number of organisms. Therefore, the food chains in natural conditions are interconnected together, forming a web-like structure. A web-like arrangement is known as food web. Here it is the producers prepared food material. The producers prepared food material by the photosynthesis, the food consumed by the first primary consumers. They called herbivores. More number of herbivores are present in every ecosystem. That herbivores are consumed energy from the producers, and herbivores are primary consumers consumed by the secondary consumers in different manner by the food habits, by their own food habits. They are interlocking system with each other, and second consumers are majority of second consumers are present in every ecosystem. They called carnivores. Carnivores are consumed by the top carnivores or tertiary carnivores. They are interlocking with each food chain. They shows a web-like structure called food web. They shows web-like structure called food web.